gonna make it one day if you work for it. You know I made my shot when it hit the backboard. You lost so much swag and you push a 30 boy. This the album of the year, talking to existence. You gon' work it till you 45. Fuck out my face, bitch. I just woke up, rolled a weed and I face it. 2 damn blunts for my brody, hope he make it. Wake up, run to the studio to make hits. Broke a heart, I can't even take it. Fuck this shit, don't do it no more. Might retire early, wake up, so I'm golden. I don't want 3 bitches getting turned up. Hoes, rockstar lifestyle, while I flex.